Dear viewers, welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. In this lecture, I am just going to show that how we'll use our dimension tool in Sketchup Pro. Okay, so to use dimension tool, first of all, we have to click here. So here I have just clicked to find out our dimension tool, and if we see here, if I click here, you are seeing that we are not able to find out the dimension like that. Okay, and why actually that? Because if I click here and if you click here, see that that is a group. When that is a group, then we are not able to use the dimension tool perfectly. Okay, and if we double click here, then if we come here to use our dimension tool, then from that point to that point we are able to use our dimension. See, like that. But also it will create a box line. So what I'll do actually, just see what we can do. Control Z, we'll just simply select our that. I'll click selecting tools, and from here I'll select all of that and right click and I'll click explode. So when I have exploded that, okay, when I've exploded that, now I'm able to use the dimension tool perfectly. So if I click here, okay, for that line from that point to that point, just see again what is the thickness of that. If you want to see that, then simply click on that point to that point, then here you are able to see the dimension. All right, you are able to see the dimension here. So here the dimension, and you can move that where you need. So that is 15 centimeter. So like that. And here also, if you click from that point to that point, then you will see the dimension here, right? Again, I mean, from any point to any point, from that point to that point, if you want to see, that is the dimension, right? And here, and the most important thing, suppose if you decrease the height of that wall, if you decrease the height of that wall, the dimension will change automatically. So how? If you use that tools like that, just see this dimension have decreased. Again, if you click here, the dimension will increase automatically. Just see, dimension have increased automatically, right? So in this way we are able to use our dimension toolbar perfectly. And in our next toolbar, I'm going to show you about a most important tool, the section plane. So as a civil engineer or as a architecture, or I mean for architecture design, that is very, very important to use section plane. And how we'll use that perfectly, I'll just show that. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video. And if you're new here, you can watch our previous lecture and also subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you get every update ever fast. And if you are a LinkedIn user, then you can connect me there. The link are given in description. So thank you.